Hello everyone, today in this video you are going to learn how to find out materials used in maintenance order. We can find out materials used in maintenance order and its cost using two different transaction codes of SAP. Number one is IW33. In this command field we are going to write IW33 and press enter. This is the display of IW33. In this display we are going to write here the maintenance order number and press enter. This is the display of the maintenance order. In this display, in the component tab, we can find out all the materials which were used in the maintenance order. And then in this cost tab, we can find out the total cost of all the materials used in maintenance order. Now towards the second transaction code, which is MB51. In MB51, in this order tab, we are going to write here the maintenance order number and press this execute button or use the shortcut key F8. As a result, report will be displayed in which we can find out all the materials which were used in maintenance order. We can find out the movement type and maintenance order number as well. And we can also find out the quantity and the individual cost of all those materials which were used in maintenance order. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.